Hello, hi, welcome to Canvas Traders YouTube channel. This is Sham. Today we came up with a very interesting topic and strategy also, that's a Darvas box theory or method or whatever you call. Is very famous for how I made $2 million in the stock market from $10,000. Is Nicholas Darvas. He invented this kind of a box theory. So who is Nicholas Darvas and how he invented that, and how to plot that indicator in Zerodha, and how to trade with that, how to fix the stop losses and entries. Let's explore all these kind of things, and without any ado, let's jump into the video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please hit the red button below this video, or if you are first time visiting our channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything from us. Thank you. Welcome back, and today we are going to discuss about the Darvas method, right? So he's Mr. Nicholas Darvas, stock market trader. He's a dancer basically who turned into a professional trader, and he's best known for his famous book How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market. When Nicholas started trading, he struggled and made losses too. Guys, listen, he's also made losses too, like us. Okay, after gaining experience, he discovered the box theory. Okay, he's he's a dancer who turned into a professional trader later, and the Darvas box theory is basically a trend following method, and with an eye on volume also. It is giving very much importance to volume and the trend following also. And what is the Darvas box theory? This is the definition for that. We can use it at in any time frame for intraday swing and positional also, but it is very much working strategy for swing and positional rather than intraday. I can't say that it will not work on intraday. Of course, I do personally use the Darvas box for intraday also in 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame also. He believed that most of the shares move within a specific box range till the time the share is moving in a range. It is known as a box. So we do see a lot of almost Nifty, Bank Nifty on the daily basis. It will be in a range, right? It is moving in a range. So that is called as a box actually. Okay. So later we'll see the chart also. And this is the evergreen quote from Nicholas Darvas, sir. If you could play roulette with the assurance that whenever you bet $100, you could get out of for 98. If you lost your bet, won't you call that good odds? I'm sure most of you don't understand this quote. Will come to this part after checking on the chart part. Okay, let's go to the charts and let's explore what is Darvas theory. Okay, so I'm taking basically what Darvas is saying as per his book How I Made $2 Million in Stock Market. He says that whenever the stocks is hitting all-time high, that means a 52-week high. So I scanned that 52-week high stocks. I scanned that, and this is the high actually. So I'm making a box here. Suppose this is a 52-week high, but I'm taking this is as a 52-week high to easily get understand. Okay, this stock made 52 high. Okay, then I'll wait for the retracement. Definitely a 52-week high stock definitely take a small retracement or bigger retracement, because whoever holding from the longer time, they want to make liquidate their profits, or they want to book their profits at these levels. Okay, so I'll almost after waiting this formed a low, right? So I'm taking the box, connecting the high and the low of the range. Okay, swing low. Okay, whenever the price is breaking the upside, then I'll make an entry as per the Darvas box theory. Okay, so what about the stop loss? Okay, it may be 2% or 3% as per your risk appetite. It's not like lower of the box. Okay, for surely lower of the box. If it is, if your capital or if your position is supporting or within the range of 2 or 3%, guys, please pay attention, don't get confused here. If your capital is supporting, to keep the stop loss here, and it should be within 2 to 3% range, then you can keep the stop loss at here. Otherwise, whatever the 2% or 3%, that's the thing, you need to keep stop loss over there. Okay, and let's plot the Dorvax box. We have a Dorvax. Okay, so it will be like this. So this is the box. Whenever it's making high, it's taken automatically. So this is the low made. So once it is crossing, we can take the entry here. And this is called ghost box actually. I'll show you the settings also. So stop levels also it will be there. If you click on this, all these white dots will be the stop loss lines. So this is how look likes. I don't think so this will be very useful indicator. You need to plot on manual basis, and that would be better actually. So I already drawn the same kind of a box, right? The same as per the theory also, it's taken the same on automatical basis, and the stop loss also given in this range only. Okay, this is called ghost box actually. Okay, maybe the price will go up like this. It's based on volume only, it's calculating. Okay, so how we can use the Darboux box theory on swing trading? Okay, whenever the stock makes high and wait for the retracement, just draw a box on that. Okay, and you keep on extending it. This is low, right? So it is breaking, right? So I'm taking my entry. Stop loss would be 2 or 3%. That's it. That's a period. There is no change at all. 2 or 3%. Okay, so I'm taking entry here. Okay, and my stop loss would be 2 to 3%, and I'm making another box. Okay, then my stop loss would be here because I'm trialing my stop loss, and after adding also we can add here as per the Dorvax theory. So this is how we can do the pyramiding actually. Okay, generally we do in reverse method, right? But this is the thing, we need to add more at these levels, and we can trial our stop losses also. Okay, so once it is breaking these levels, we should out of the trade with whatever the profit or loss. Okay, then again I'm making the same box here. This is the continuation. Okay, so once it is going up, again we got an entry here, also we got stop loss, and this would be our entry at this level. We need to check the volume also, and this could be stop loss. We can write the next until next high. I made another box. Okay, touching the high and low. Okay, it's not even touched the low. Keep on adding the funds at here, and keeping add some more shares or lots also, and again the sideways. So I'm making another box here. Okay, once it is breaking, I'm again adding some more stocks here, and my stop loss also would be more, not this one, these levels actually. Okay, and this is how we can use the Dorvax box, and we can ride the rally until you got the stop loss. After breaking this, I'm adding another one. So it formed high. We can add something at here, and our stop loss would be here. So if the stop loss got hit, we are out actually. So this is basically the Darboux theory. And if you could play roulette with the assurance that whenever you bet $100 you could get out of for 98, if you lost your bet, wouldn't you call that good odds? Okay, let's explore this one. Okay, what does it mean? If you bet 100 rupees, let's talk about in rupees actually. Okay, if you entered a trade with 100 rupees your investment and you came out with a 98 rupees, that means you lost only 2 rupees. 2 rupees. Okay, that's as a stop loss you given to market. So that's the best thing, right? I'll try to explain in a picture. Okay, this is roulette. Almost everyone you know that, right? And what is the main difference of the a gambler do that? There is no support and resistance for this game, right? So it's completely on probability or pure luck. Actually, I can say it's completely pure luck, either red or black. That's it. Okay, there is no stop loss. We cannot stop this by keeping a 2% or 3% stop loss like our stock markets. Okay, then the novice traders. Okay, he is also following the Darvix box theory, but the thing is that he got an entry in some particular stock, but he didn't keep the stop loss. Okay, so probability is there, 100% it can go up as per the Darvix theory. Once the price is breaking the box, definitely it's a chance is there, but he didn't even know that how to keep the stop loss and what is the stop loss and what is the mechanism how to set the stop loss. So he is risk also 100% because not keeping the risk management. Okay, and who are the professional traders? They are also following the same Darvix box theory, but the thing is that there is a probability of 100% on upside and 2% on the downside, because he knows that how to manage the risk and he know the importance of the risk management. He kept the stop loss at 2%. And this is the main difference between the three people. The gamblers, no probability, there is no support or resistance, or there is no volume, something like that, and there is no risk cap also. Okay, and coming to the novice, it's a probability is there, but risk management is not there. Coming to the pro trader, there is a probability and he is managing the risk also. So this is the main difference between the three people: the gambler and novice trader and pro trader. So who you wanna be? Definitely the pro trader, right? So what the pro trader is doing, what you are doing currently, you take a paper and just revise your recent trades. What are the mistakes you did? You just note it down on a paper and compare it here, and whatever the mistakes you did, don't repeat it again from now at least. Okay, there is another evergreen quotes from Nicholas Darvix, sir. I have no ego in the stock market. If I make a mistake, I admit it immediately and get out fast. Okay, what we will do, it's completely different, because we have a hope that maybe this stock is reverse, or I have a strict analysis and my indicator, my analysis say that it will go up, but damn, it's going down. This should not go down. It will definitely come up. I'll wait for that. I don't want to book that. And I lost 500, another 1500, another 1500. This is round number of 6000 now. So what we'll think is that we'll keep another 4000 stop loss. Maybe definitely this is the S4 or S3 support 3 or support 4 level. Definitely it will reverse. I'll average at this level. No, these kind of things will not work, friends. Okay, whatever the Nicholas sir said that this will work in the market. If you did a mistake, admit it immediately and get out of the trade very, very fast with just 2% or 3% stop loss. Hope you follow this from now at least. Then only it makes sense for this video and spending this many hours from my side also. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, please comment in the below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.